Hello everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. So, today in this video, I'm gonna show you very beautiful and gorgeous skater dresses, or you can say midi dresses that are floral in chiffon fabric and dress designing ideas. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. I hope you will like these ideas, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section about today's video. And if you are new, please once visit on my channel. I have shared many ideas, more designs on my channel. So once visit, once visit. And if you like my ideas, these then don't forget to like my video. And if you not subscribed yet my channel, then subscribe my channel. And tell me about today's video in the comment section. And if you have any demand on designing ideas, tell me in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible. Today's video is related to midi skater dresses designing ideas. I hope you like these ideas. And these dresses are basically in chiffon fabric. This was my video, so take care of yourself. Bye bye.